In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a voiceover in Canva. Whether you're crafting a presentation, creating a video, or simply want to add a personal touch to your project, this feature can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in and explore the straightforward steps to get you started with voiceover recording on Canva. First, ensure you have your Canva project open on your screen. This is the project you want to overlay with your voice. Now we'll begin by looking for the Share button in the top right corner of your Canva interface. This is your gateway to access a variety of export and sharing options. Once you spot this button, give it a click. You might notice a drop-down menu or a new window populating with several choices. Next, look for the option that reads See All. This option is typically nestled under the more prominent choices, so you might need to scroll or explore a bit. Clicking See All will expand your menu to unveil a comprehensive array of features Canva offers. This expanded menu is essential because it leads us to our next step, accessing the recording feature. With the expanded menu in front of you, locate the Present and Record option. This feature is where the magic happens. It allows you to record your narrative while presenting your design. Click on Present and Record to move forward. Depending on your browser permissions, you might receive a prompt asking for access to your microphone. It's crucial that you allow this access so you can record effectively. Canva will then transition you into a new mode where you can see a recording interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice controls for starting, pausing, and stopping your recording. Before you start your voiceover, ensure your microphone is positioned correctly and that the environment is as quiet as possible to prevent unwanted background noise. When you're ready, hit the start button. You'll begin narrating your content as the slides appear in front of you. Speak clearly and at a steady pace, ensuring your voice aligns well with the visual flow of your presentation. If you need to pause for any reason, use the pause button and resume when you're ready. Once you're done, stop the recording. Canva will save your voiceover automatically and provide options for you to listen back. Take this opportunity to review your work. If everything sounds good, you're all set. Otherwise, adjustments can be made and another take recorded until you're satisfied. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to bring your Canva presentations to life with a personal voiceover. Feel free to explore and experiment with this feature and add a unique human element to your creative projects. Happy designing!